Hi, what's going on, guys? For today's video, we're gonna take care of this thing, the one on the Toyota Tundra 2005. I'm gonna open the differential. Let's see what the problem from the inside. So let's begin to do this, guys. First thing I need to do is remove all the bracket, this bracket here and this bracket here. So I'm gonna remove this first. This is 19mm. This one here 19mm also. Then I'm gonna separate the actuator using the 12mm. There's 4 bolts here. It's all 12mm. Then tap it a little bit. These actuators, when you turn on the 4x4, this one is moving there, so the 4-wheel drive, it's engaged from this thing here, from this thing here. I'm gonna remove this 24mm. Maybe I'm gonna use a puller. I'll pull this thing. So guys, I cannot take it out. It's too tight. So I'm gonna remove it first. I'm gonna separate this first, the shaft here and body. This is different bolt, torque 14mm. So next thing, I need to remove this one, the cover. Okay guys, as you can see here, too much this pinion gear is worn out already. This one, and the bearing inside is broken, and there's a lot of stuff inside of this case, and this one is separated already. This bearing here is not good either, and pinion gear, I think it's not good either. So if we're gonna rebuild this one, I think we need to replace everything: the pinion gear, planetary gear, bearing, this pinion gear here, the shaft. So guys, yeah, we cannot save anything here because this one, the pinion gear here is broken, the planetary gear is worn out. I think this one, the pinion gear here too, is worn up either. The bearing is not good. I think only we can save this one is just the case, the differential case, and this one, the shaft here. This one is still good, but everything, no, it's not really good. As you can see here, the shaft, no, it's really not good. Maybe I suggest to my boss, get the whole thing, so we can put it here, then good to go. No need to spend because this one we cannot do anything about it, and including this one. And I'm not sure about the inside here, the case, because that one is hard to open though. This one is hard to open already, so I'm not sure about the surface from the inside. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. My boss, he just ordered the bearing, but the thing here, everything is broken already. So you need to get the whole kit, like the pinion gear, the planetary gear, and everything, bearing, and etc. And that's it. And thank you for watching, guys. I'm not sure when can I finish this job, because I have too much work, something to do. I'm only work by myself on this holiday. All my co-workers, they get a day off for 2 weeks, so I need to finish all the things there, and I don't have really time to take a video. Thank you for supporting this video, guys, and we got 500 subscriber already. Thank you for all my subscribers. Even if I'm not really good in English, you always supporting me, you always watching my vlog, and thank you for watching my video, and see you on the next one, guys. Take care and happy holiday.